Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Sonic versus Knuckles in Among Us form. It's going to be simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So let's get started, okay? Yeah, we're going to start over here on this side with Sonic. The Among Us Sonic. Curve over here for the top of the visor. Excuse me. Curve along here for the front. Over here on this side. And underneath. So you got that visor right there on this side. We're going to go over here and then curve a line back for Sonic spikes. Line down here for the front of the body. Don't forget, hit the subscribe. By the way, one thing you should really do, say hi to me in the comments if you can hear me right now. I'm going to reply to every single comment. And I'm going to say this for the next few videos, alright? I will reply to every single comment. Just say something. Say hi, say what's up, say something goofy, and I will totally look at it and reply to it. Unless it's like offensive, then it's probably not gonna, I'm not gonna do it, but you know. Line underneath here, so bottom of the foot here. Sugi. My dog like took off. Down over here, curve for the other foot. Then line up. Line over here on this side. Line over here on this side. Down, back. Before I do that though, I'm going to have the backpack in there, okay? So I'm going to go over here, pull the line out for the backpack, and I'm going to pull that line down. Down over here. Out over here for another spike, and one more here. Sugi! Calling my dog. My dog just like ran off. Line over here for the discoloration on the stomach. Curve underneath. And line over here. Try to make sure my dog is in the other room. Isn't in the other room destroying stuff. Alright. Let's go over here to this side for the Knuckles version. Line over here for the top of the visor. Curve down. Curve over here. Close it off. Go over here, go up. Back. Curve around here. My Knuckles has these like dreadlocks things going on. But before I complete that, I'm going to go to the front of the body. Down. Sugi! Curve here. Up. Line underneath here for the lower part of the body. Down over here. Back. Up. Out. Down over here the backpack. In. I'm gonna give him another dreadlock right here. Up. And then up here. Line over here. For across that. And that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about this. So there's a discoloration here on the right there. See that? That's a white. Looks like a smile. It's funny. But it's actually the design on his outfit. He has that design on it. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to give it a quick color right now. Really quick. And you can watch me do that. But that's going to be sped up. Alright? So I'm going to throw some color on here with marker. Before I do that, if you have anything you want to request on the channel, do it. I'm posting 3 times daily. At least a week daily. So You know, like I said, if you have any, sort of suggestions, let me know. If you like the channel, hit the like, by the way, on any video that you like. Go through the channel, maybe like some videos if you like them. And that's it, okay? I'm going to zoom right into this and keep watching. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.